So we're going to play this amazing game called Stop It. It's part of my Squabbles games, and it's pretty simple. You get to be hateful and mean to me. I have to try to stop it. Okay? You can say whatever you want. You can make fun of my ugly glasses, my lame hair, my ugly clothes. What are those? Whatever you want. If I can stop you, Ava, I win.
Okay.
If I can't stop you, you win. Deal?
Okay.
So you're going to start by calling me an idiot, and we'll all say action on 3. 1, 2, 3, action.
Idiot.
What did you call me?
An idiot.
Yo, I'm not an idiot.
Well, your red hair makes you look like a tomato.
Seriously, you're going to make fun of my hair?
And what's with that singing? It needs some work.
With what?
Your singing.
My singing is fine. Like, I was in a band. Like, why are you so hateful?
Your singing really matches your glasses, you nerd.
Are you serious right now? Ava, my friends will come beat you up after school. You keep running your mouth. Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. They can't beat me up.
Oh, they can. My friends will beat you up.
No, they won't.
You better stop being mean.
No.
Stop being mean.
No.
Stop it.
No.
All right, I couldn't beat her, y'all. Give her a big round of applause. You did amazing. All right, so I couldn't stop you. Now, did I look like a winner or a loser when you tried to make me upset?
A loser.
I look like a loser. You were able to make me upset, control my emotions. You totally had power over me. Good job. We're going to do the same thing again, only this time I'm going to use the peace sign. I'm not going to get upset, and I'm going to treat you like a friend. Let's see if I can stop you. Same thing, action on 3. 1, 2, 3, action.
Idiot.
What did you call me?
Idiot.
You think I'm an idiot?
Yeah, your red hair makes you look like a tomato.
Oh, you're hilarious. You should be a comedian. I got the red hair and the nerdy glasses.
And what's
I
with
know,
that
Ava, I'm
singing?
not as
It
cool
needs
as
some
you.
work.
I know. I probably should like get lessons, right?
Maybe you should get contacts. Those glasses really match with your singing.
Oh, you are awesome. I know. The contacts. Maybe if I swallowed my glasses, it would make me sound better. I don't know. Ava, do you like to sing?
No.
No, man. I thought maybe you could give me some lessons or something, I struggle. I love to do it, but I'm not very good at it. And so I probably need some help on that. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, anyways, if I've ever come in here looking crazy or sounding crazy, you can feel free to let me know. It's okay if you hate my guts. It's not going to ruin my day.
Okay, I will.
Awesome. You let me know, and I hope you have an awesome day too.
Okay.
Cool. I won, y'all. Give me a big hand clap. What? So, Ava, amazing job. Let me ask you a couple questions. Was it easier to be mean to me the first time or the second time?
The first time.
Why?
Because you didn't really fight back. You kind of just let me bother you.
Well, the first time I was fighting back. That's what made it fun for you, right?
Yeah.
I looked like a loser. You were able to make me upset. What happened the second time?
You didn't really let me bother you. You didn't really let it get to you.
Yeah, how did you feel the second time?
I don't know. I felt like you were doing better than me. Like you weren't letting it bother you.
Exactly. And if there was a crowd, so let's say we're in the cafeteria, there's a crowd watching us. What would they think about me?
They'd probably be proud of you for sticking up for yourself.
Yeah, and what would they think about someone that's being mean like you?
Not as much as they think of you because I'm the one being mean.
Yeah, and the more you try it, you're sort of going to look foolish after a while, right? Because this is like not working. I'm not getting upset. Exactly. Well, thank you so much. Another big round of applause for Ava. Thanks so much for volunteering today.